This is a review of the Meow Mix Poultry Seafood that we are going to be doing a review on. And in this review, we're going to show you guys pretty much everything about this. And from there, we are going to show you guys the aftermath of my cat eating it. So without going further, let's get into this review and show you guys more in depth about this cat food. Okay, to open this up, it's right over here. It's located right here. So we just open it like that, and then you just take it out just like that. And right over here, it's your Meow Mix with real chicken, and it comes with that for the cat. And now what we're gonna do now is that we're going to go outside and make our cat eat this, and then show you guys if whether or not if my cat likes it. Okay, so you can see my cat, it's eating this, and it's a seafood poultry that is for the cats. And I would definitely recommend this cat food, the Meow Mix cat food. If you're looking for a cat treat for your cat that likes something like a seafood taste, then this one right over here is probably one of the best cat foods to get. And I would definitely recommend the Meow Mix seafood poultry cat food.